Good morning, students. Today we're gonna start Turtle Part 1. This unit, it's huge, it needs a lot of work, so we're gonna divide it into small parts. So the first thing we are saying that Turtle is a pre-installed Python library that enable user to create picture and shape. So the benefit of using Turtle, that we are saying this Turtle is a Python library. We're gonna understand what the meaning Python library that can help us to create pictures, shapes, by providing them with a virtual canvas. So there is also virtual canvas that we're gonna draw on it. The on-screen pen that you are using, we call it Turtle. So you're gonna see something like with the shape of small triangle with something like that. And it's filled with any color that you want to fill it. And this is, we call it Turtle. And you will see now in this canvas that I'm gonna show to you how it looks like. You need to understand what a library is. So someone tell me, what the meaning of library? Library, it's the same exactly as we are using in our normal language, okay? So the library, it's a place that it store books. You can get any book at any time, take whatever information and return it back. The same thing in computer world. A library is a set of important function and methods. So it's created for us already in Python. So this Turtle library, it has many functions, many methods that we can get it, we can use it from the library that it calls Turtle in Python. So now, first of all, I want to tell Python, hello, I need to use your library that it called Turtle. So I have to import this this library in Python environment. So very important to import. Before I start anything, I need to import Turtle. And you will notice something very important here, that Turtle is written with small letter, not capital letter as here in this title. So import Turtle, this is the first command that we're gonna do it. So if I'm gonna look now to Python and I need to open the shell, so here we go, I'm gonna open the shell, and the shell is gonna help me to test line by line, and I'm gonna see the result right away. So at the beginning, before I start, I have to import this library. So import Turtle, and don't forget Turtle, when I type it, it's in small letter, in small T, not capital T. If I click enter and I don't get any error message, that means it's here. The library of Turtle, it's already imported in the Python environment. So now I can use other stuff. Perfect, so we imported first. What is this next step? We need to get a screen. I want to see my canvas. I want to see the paper that I'm gonna add to it any shape. So to add the screen or to bring the screen, maybe I can assign it to any variable. So I can type S or screen, whatever it's easier for me. So I can say, well, this S, I can assign it for screen, and I'm gonna ask Turtle to bring the screen for me. So there is a function called getScreen. So the getScreen here, it's a function in the library Turtle. So this is how it works. So I'm gonna do like that. I'm gonna say S equal, that means assign the Turtle, from the Turtle library, use the function or the method that it called getScreen. So you see getScreen, it's after a dot, that means it's a method or a function inside the library of Turtle, and it's gonna bring the screen for me. So if I click enter, right away I got a nice canvas, a nice screen. And this is the Turtle that I told you from the beginning. It looks like a small triangle. This is my Turtle. This is a pen that it gonna draw for me anything I want to draw. But to bring the screen, I have to get screen, use the function that called get screen. Perfect. What next? When I see the screen like that with this small Turtle, I can start now to think about how can I use this one. This turtle, I have to assign it to another variable, let's call t, small t. So again, I'm gonna use a function called turtle from the library turtle. And here there is a big difference between both of them. You see turtle with small letter and turtle with capital letter. What is the difference? The green one, this green one, this is the library. But this is the method or the function that I'm using. So you're gonna see here capital T. So don't forget, from the library it's small t, from the method it's capital T. And I'm gonna assign this small pencil that it called turtle to a variable called t. So now if I want to move this pencil anywhere, I'm gonna use t. So here the small t, which is gonna be my pencil, I'm gonna say turtle from the library turtle, get the function that is called turtle with capital letter, and now assign it to t. So if I want to move the pencil, I'm gonna use t. If I want to do any change to the screen or the canvas or this square big screen here, I'm gonna assign it to s. So there is two different now variable. So let's go to the next one to start something to move the turtle. So where is my turtle? My turtle in the screen, it's here. Where it is here in the code, it's small t. So if I want to move something, I have to use the small t. And it's easy to move. Why? Because I have 4 directions. I can move forward, I can move backward, I can turn my pencil to the left side, I can turn my pencil to the right side. So you see forward, backward, left, right, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All of these are function in the library that is called turtle. So you can see dot forward, dot backward, dot left, dot right. You're gonna tell me why I need a bracket. These brackets are very important. So if I want to use right 90, so that means this is my turtle. If I want to change the direction of this turtle to the right, I can ask with 90 degree turn right. So in this case, instead of having the direction going to the right side, I need to turn it right. That means I need something like that, let's say. So it's gonna change from here to here 90 degree. This is the meaning of right. Forward means what? Forward means move 100 unit. So it's gonna move 100 unit with this way. If I'm saying T left, okay, the last thing that I have it's with this shape. So now I need to go left. So that means I'm turning the direction to the left. So instead of facing something like that, now it's gonna face something like that. And after that, let's say I'm asking to go backward. Backward, that means to the back. So I need that it goes back 100 unit. So this pencil is gonna come here with this way after 100 units backward. You can test it. We can test it and we can do exactly what we have here. So, and we can see the change right away when using this canvas. So I'm gonna keep the canvas here and see. So if I'm saying T is the variable that I assign it for this pencil. T, and I'm gonna do dot right 90. So see now what it will happen. This is facing to the right side. When I turn it to the right 90 degree, it's gonna face down. So see, as soon as I click enter, right away it changed. Now I need to move forward 100 units. So T forward 100 units and go. Here we go. If I need to go left I need to change it to left. So I'm going to say t dot left, and let's say 90 degree again. Be careful. Can you see the turtle? What's going to happen to? It's going to change left. If I need to move backward, so t dot backward, and after that it's going to be 100 unit. See what it's going to do? Right away, backward. So this is how it works with this movement, how I can move the turtle. There is something nice if you can memorize this to save time when you are typing. Instead of saying T right, I can make RT. It's easier, but you have to use for sure the variable T for the turtle. Forward, instead of using the whole forward, you can see FD. Left, LT. Backward, BK. So you have to memorize this stuff in case if you want to save. If you cannot memorize it, you can write backward, forward, left, and right. But it's easier to save a little bit of time using forward, FD, and backward. Some people, they think BD, like FD, gonna be BG. Unfortunately, no, it's BK. You can tell me who decide that for me. It's already in the library. We cannot like do too much stuff. It's already in the library. Since you import this library in the environment, you have to use it as it was created. Perfect. Next. Now we are moving, and we can move with a different way. I can go right away with my pencil anywhere in the screen using the quadrant. The quadrant are 4. You can see here there is the x-axis, there is the y-axis, and there is 4 quadrant. Quadrant number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. This quadrant, it decide where to go. I have a coordinate x and I have a coordinate y. If both are positive, so if I'm writing, let's say 3, 12, it's gonna go 1, 2, and 3, and after that I'm gonna move 12 until I reach the dot or the point or the location that I need to localize my point. So positive, positive is gonna be quadrant 1. If I'm going with negative x, positive y, it's gonna be in quadrant 2. If I'm going to negative x and negative y, it's gonna be in quadrant number 3. If I'm going to positive x and negative y, it's gonna be quadrant 4. So this is exactly like math when we are localizing some point in the graph. This is exactly the same. Now, what about the origin? The origin that is 0, 0, we call it in Python home. So you will see something here that I can move my turtle by saying, hey turtle t, variable t, dot go to, and this is the function or the method that I can use, go to 100, 100. Right away, it's gonna go to quadrant number 1 because positive, positive. If I want to go back where I started, it's gonna be t home. So let's check this t home and let's check t go to. So if I have my drawing like that and this one, so you know that when we started from here. So let's check, is this really t go home? So t home, bracket, bracket, let's track, and what is gonna happen? Right away it went back from the last position to the original position. So here is the 0, 0. Now if I want to jump to go to 100, 100, so t go to bracket 100, comma 100. That means I'm saying what? Move 100 on x and 100 on y. So it should be in this place. Here we go, right away. Perfect. What next? So we saw go to, I can go to anywhere. And if I want to go back to my original position, it's t home, or I can still use go to 0, 0. the home is the same thing. So if I want here, if I want this turtle to go back home, I can use chi home or chi go to 0, 0. See here, go to 0, 0. So if I'm doing something like that, right away it should go home. Here we go. It came where I start. If I want to go in this side 100, 100, so I can say negative 100, positive 100. So chi dot go to, be careful here, negative 100, comma 100. So the x is going to be negative, the y is going to be positive. Oops, I left space. Okay, so chi dot go to, it's one word, I don't see a reason to leave a space, negative 100, comma 100. Now it should work. Here we go, it went. I want to go home, I can say chi go to 0, 0, or I can say chi home, and that's it. And I see home, it's easier instead of saying 0, 0. So I hope that you understand how we can use the turtle to go to any point we want, or to go to the origin, which is 0, 0, by using the home function, or go to 0, 0. Thank you for listening.